Imagine turning a simple $1,000 into a staggering 10 million. It sounds like a dream, but it is actually pure mathematics. This isn't about winning the lottery or getting lucky with a mean coin. It is about a fundamental law of the universe. The secret is simple. No luck. Just time. Most investors fail because they are looking for the exit before they even enter. We see the chaos of the markets every day. People glued to their screens, chasing every new trend and feeling the stress of every dip. They jump from Bitcoin to AI stocks to real estate, hoping for a shortcut. But they are missing the most powerful engine of wealth. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world: compound interest. Those who understand it earn it. Those who don't pay it. Think of your money like a small seedling. At first, you see nothing happening above the surface. But underground, something incredible is growing. In the early years, a 10% return on $1,000 feels like nothing. It's just $100. You might feel discouraged. But look at what happens when you keep adding just $200 a month and let it sit for 50 years. Suddenly, at the 40 and 50-year marks, the curve stops being a slope and starts being a rocket ship. This is the avalanche effect. A small snowball at the top of a mountain starts as nothing more than a handful of ice. But as it rolls, it picks up more snow. The larger it gets, the more snow it can attract, until it's unstoppable. The biggest enemy of this process is interruption. When the market crashes, most people panic and sell. They stop the snowball, but those who stay the course see the recovery. They buy the dip and watch their wealth reach even higher highs. Time is more valuable than talent. Consider two people. Person A starts at 25. Person B starts at 35. Even if they contribute the exact same amount every month, Person A will end up with millions more simply because they started sooner. To build this system for yourself, step 1 is to start now. Don't wait for the perfect time. The best time was 10 years ago. Step 2, automate. Don't rely on your willpower. Set up a system where money moves to your investments before you can spend it. Step 3, use index funds like the S&P 500. They provide instant diversification and have a proven history of long-term growth. Watch out for the hidden enemy: high fees. A small 1% fee can leak hundreds of thousands of dollars over a lifetime. In contrast, a low-cost fund keeps your money where it belongs, in your pocket, compounding for your future. Investing is a psychological battle. While the news screams about panic, you must remain calm and focused on your long-term goals. Financial freedom isn't about working harder. It is about making your money work harder than you ever could. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe to Future Finance Lab for more wealth-building strategies.